So for the cross icon, we need to add the cross icon inside this music player function, music player component. Okay. So beside below this play arrow. Okay. So here just revert this hide function. Okay. Instead of play arrow, we need here cross, right? Cross. Okay. So for cross, let us use this icon, cross icon. Okay. So yeah. So now if you see in our application, whenever you hover, this cross icon is coming, right? So because we use the same class name. Okay. Because so here you can also see this icon is also coming only the track on which we hover. Okay. So this is same. So now this cross function we need to handle, right? So let us handle this cross thing. Let us add a on click function. Okay. Handle remove. Artist album, right? Constant handle remove. So we need to create a new slice. Okay. Not new slice inside here. Okay. We will add that function. Okay. In favorite song added. So let us favorite song remove. Okay. State is equal to initial state comma action. Okay. So what we have to do, we just need to return dot state. Okay. Whatever the favorite song we have, we will just action dot payload. Okay. So what we have to do in the favorite song remove, we will pass only the array. Okay. Whatever the arrow, the filtered array, right? So in the artist album, first we have to get all the favorite song details. Okay. So for the favorite song details, favorite song list. Okay. Use selector state dot fav song dot what is our redux favorite song dot fab song. Okay. Fab song dot fab song. Okay. So now fab song dot list dot filter. Okay. Item, if item dot id not is equal to, we can write something like this as well. If item dot id not is equal to uh, the artist album dot id. Okay. Artist album dot id. Okay. This is our new fab song list. Okay. And so now we just need to update this array, right? We just need to call this fab song remove and it will update the state. Okay. Fab song. Okay. We also need to write this function here, fab song remove. Okay. Inside this fab song remove, we just need to pass this fab song list, right? And let us call this dispatch. I think it will work. Let's see. So right now in the favorite song list we have 5 data, right? So if I click on any of the song, let's see. Let's write ARR. Okay. If I click on this cross icon, you see our list, that item is get removed, right? There is one issue. Suppose if I click on this blue eyes. Okay. Why this is song getting played? Let me show you why. I think that access token is getting expired. Okay, so that's why the list is not coming. let me just refresh. See, yeah, the access token is expired, so we just need to update the token. Okay, so why the song is getting played? The reason is, instead of passing okay, just pass this event. Okay, so now inside this function, event dot so if you write this event dot stop propagation, what it will do, it will just stop this on click event. Okay, it will not go further like to its parent, because in the parent we have declared this on click, right? Whenever we click on any of the song track, that song should play. Okay, so that's why this song is getting played. So for now, let us just update this token. So for the token let me just okay, okay, where is that app.js? Okay, so we will fix this, okay, such that it will automatically, we will get some pop-up. Okay, so see, if I click on this Spotify, now we are getting all the details, right? If I click on this remove icon, see that song is not getting played, right? Okay, so that's why event dot stop propagation, that's why I added here. Okay, so such that it will not propagate, that event will not propagate to its parent. Okay, so this is done. So now the only thing is pending. Suppose if you click on this home icon. Okay, so this should be redirect to the home function, right? So let us update this one. In the left neighbor we have this home icon, right? So let us use a link. Okay, import link from React router DOM. Okay, link to slash home. Okay, so for this one, search. Okay, search. Okay, so now if you click on this home icon, you will redirect to the home page. Okay, if you click on this search, you will redirect to the search. Okay, I think this search URL we haven't declared, right? So that's why it is we are getting error. So let us declare the route first. Search. Okay, and the element search. Okay, so search we need to declare first. Let us create a component. Okay, inside this components, search. Okay, search.js6 search. Okay, so here is okay, search. So now if you click on this search icon, search. Okay, so you see our search page is getting loaded here. So now everything is working. So now what we have to do, the main thing we have to do is that log out when the access token is getting expired, right? So let us create a new file. Okay, which is apis.js. Okay, so inside this apis.js, uh, let me just copy this thing first. User auth and this constant login API. Okay, so inside this login API we also need exuse and export constant login API. Okay, and now this should be async function. Okay, async and await. So yeah, now this is fine. If I just print this response, okay, just for checking, or just return this response. Okay, response dot data. So here if I let response what is this API? Login API. Okay, login API. If I call this login API, so we are getting the response and we will save this response. Okay, that is just test. Okay, and we also need to write the await here. Okay, in the in the login.jsx page, and in the login update function, instead of action.payload.data, right now it is only action.payload. Okay, so suppose our Spotify token is getting expired. Okay, so after the token is getting expired, if you are making any API call, that API call is failed, right? So wherever we are making that API call, I am handling this. I'm using here try and catch. Okay, if we got any error, okay, if then this catch block will getting executed. Okay, in that case, first what we will do, we will just call this login cancel. Okay, so inside this login cancel, what we are doing, we are just setting the value of is login is false. Okay, and after setting the value of login false, we are just redirect to the login page. Okay, so this is what our application. Okay, so for this search, okay, let us go in our Spotify API. So for the search, here we have one more API. Okay, api.spotify.com v1.search. Okay, so you can use this API. Okay, you just try to implement by yourself so that you can also get more idea about how to use these APIs and how to render, because everything is already implemented. Okay, so instead of artist API, here you just need to use that search API and print and list down all the data. Okay, whatever data you are getting in the search. So yeah, the one thing I want to show you is, suppose that error handling we just did, right? So let's just verify. So if I make the change here in the access token, okay, suppose in the access token I did some change. Okay, if now I save, so right now this access token is this is not the valid access token, right? So if I make the request, so you see it is getting, okay, why we are getting this error? Okay, so we are redirect to this login page. Okay, so now if you click on the login, so we got that new API, new access token. Okay, so this is how we have handled. So I hope you like this video, and so if you feel this video is helpful for you, then please make sure give a like and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you so much.